In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo in Ecwid. Let's get started. Whether you're setting up shop for the first time or you've been running your Ecwid store for a while, customizing your website to reflect your brand is always a crucial step. One of the fundamental elements of this customization is, of course, your logo, which works as a visual shorthand for your store's identity. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to incorporate your logo into your Ecwid store seamlessly. Let's begin by navigating to your Ecwid control panel. If you're not already there, open up your web browser and log into your Ecwid account. You should land directly on the dashboard, which is like your home base. Here you can manage everything from product listings to customer orders and, most relevantly for today, your website's appearance. Once you're comfortably situated in the control panel, your next move is to locate the website settings. You'll find this option listed in the menu on the left-hand side, usually under the Sales Channels or Configure Your Store section. Give it a click. This will take you to a range of customization tools specifically designed for tweaking your store's visual elements. It's like having a virtual workshop where you can fine-tune the look and feel of your entire online presence. Now, with the website settings panel open, focus on the header and menu section. This is where you'll manage your site's navigational components and, more importantly, your logo. Click on Header and Menu to get one step closer to showcasing your brand's image. In this stage, you're ready to dive into one of the most hands-on parts of the process, adding the logo itself. Click on the option labeled Site Logo. This action should bring up an interface that allows you to upload your own image file. If you're unsure of the size or format that works best, Ecwid usually supports common formats like JPEG and PNG, and it often guides you with size recommendations to ensure your logo displays crisply and neatly. Once there, simply click Upload and select your desired logo image from your computer. Upon successful upload, you should see your logo appear in the preview. It's always good to double check that it looks as you imagined in the preview window. If adjustments are needed, feel free to go back to your design program, tweak the file, and re-upload it until it's just perfect. Now that your logo is placed where it belongs, make sure to save your changes. This might seem like a small click, but it's arguably the most important step because it solidifies all the hard work you've just accomplished. Just like that, your brand now has a visual anchor on your Ecwid store. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to adding a logo to your Ecwid site, ensuring your store stands out and accurately represents your business. Thanks for watching and happy